Sailing Home by Rorik. Sun sets over Swan roads, sinking into salt home. Scarlet light painting rising swells, sea steed slowly wandering, seeking long left long haul. Years since she slipped southward, sent to honor troth bond. War Danes, wrought for shield walls, went with spears and steel brands. Silver sea steed's hull gleaming with salt spray, swan cloaked and sable coated sails full filled. Fierce they fought bold foemen, red days, feeding ravens, gleaming golden arm rings, glowed in piles of plunder. Thanking Odin for Thane's skill, they sought to sail northward, hoping to see home halls, houses, farms, and hearth fires. But the trickster laughed, whispering to the sea queen, taunting red-maned thunderer. A storm rose, the sea churned, rain fell like rivers, and the long ship's way grew longer. Bitter became its journey, endless waves, starless nights. Old wounds ached anew, sorrows stirring from long sleeping, sea's song no longer soothing. Callous comments rise with ill wind, cruel words chill hearts yet feed fury. Trickster laughs again, swan steed losing more than windway on whale roads. But bold crew sails onward, though hope has faded to fear. For still the south wind blows, still the wave riders seek. Songs rise o'er rain-chased Ron's realm, deathless crowns, sworn to stand once more on home shores, sail toward sun rising and the near dawning of newer days.